Hey, I'm Nancy Plants. Happy Valentine's Day. For the month of February, I'm spending $20 a week on groceries and cleaning out my pantry. This is week 2. Come on and hang out and see what I do. My fridge, I got a lot of condiments, a lot of this and that, remnants of things, compost. I have just a little bit of this margarine here. Still got those grapefruit. I got to use up this spinach before it goes bad, and I have half of a head of cabbage, few beverages left, tiny bit of almond milk, wasabi. In my freezer, I gotta bag up those black bean burgers. I have some of that bread that I made, some vegetables. Still got a lot of squash. I got matcha, a tiny bit of instant coffee left. My kombucha, I did a new batch. And my pantry, I still got a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff I can use up. So, I don't know, we're gonna keep going. I bought my groceries at Stop & Shop this week, and I got a bag of frozen spinach. These tofu dogs were on sale. A couple avocados, Roma tomato, red lettuce, gala apples. Got a cantaloupe. These cucumbers were really cheap. I think it was like 88 cents. I got a bag of discounted peppers, so some of them are hot, some of them are bell peppers, and a discounted bag of hot dog buns. I ended up spending $19.63. So what did I make? The first thing that I made was this pasta salad. I used some chopped up tofu dogs and some green lentils as my protein, a bunch of veg. I made a mayonnaise-based dressing, and I made a big batch because if I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna make several meals. So this is how I ate it at home. I just had a bunch of cucumbers with it. I had it on a bed of spinach. I also put hot sauce all over it. I prepped some meals, but I also had some random things, like that was one of my breakfasts, and I had a smoothie. I have a lot of bananas in my freezer. I have this gluten-free chickpea pasta in my pantry, and I don't like it, so I've been turning it into like a protein snack. And I made this sushi. It has all the little different components, and then made a couple of sushi bowls to pack for lunches. Again, if I'm gonna cook something, I'm gonna cook it once. Also, when I pack my sushi bowls, I don't cut up my avocado, I just pack it like that, and then it keeps it from getting so brown. I made a big batch of chili, so I'm starting with half an onion, stalk of celery. I cut up these peppers. I'm saving this for stock, and I'm freezing these peppers, and the rest went into my chili. I'm using some mushroom seasoning, pepper, cumin, garlic, paprika. I think I forgot to add chili powder. Oh well. Then I added almost a whole can of this tomato, and I'm saving some so that I can make pizza later this week. And of course I rinsed out the can. I'm gonna pour that into my chili. I have a secret ingredient I'm about to add. I'm adding in some of this butternut squash. This will make the chili nice and thick, and it adds a nice flavor. You could also add sweet potato, pumpkin. Just thickens it up. It's really nice. And of course, nutritional yeast, because I don't think you can cook anything without nutritional yeast. With that, I made some cornbread And I also made a Caesar dressing so I could have some salads. Been drinking some matcha lattes. My mom gave me these beans left over from her Super Bowl thing, and I've been having beans on toast for breakfast at least a couple times this week. That's my homemade bread from the freezer, and I like to toast that, put a little mayo down, reheat the beans, put those on top. I don't know about you, but it's really good. I baked a block of tofu, and I made some bacon bits with this spent hibiscus tea leaves. I also made croutons with my cornbread, leftover cornbread, and made a really nice Caesar salad. That was enough for two. And I also made some ice cream. I spent some time with some kitties. That was the highlight of my week. These are some Italian sausages that I made, and I thought it was a good idea to use this soy skin as a casing, but I feel like I had to circumcise these sausages. I'm saving the casing. I'm gonna do something with it, but I took the filling out and I'm putting it on this pizza, which was super good. And I think that's about it for this week. So stay tuned. I have another one coming next week, and I hope you enjoyed. And please subscribe if you feel like it. Here's some cats.
Are they actually wrestling? Oh my gosh! It's over. Wait. Whoa! We missed it. I had no idea he was in there.